U.S. stocks were once again well in the red approaching today's closing bell. This as investor concerns continue to grow regarding debt talks in Washington. But first we look at today's economic reports, and they were indeed mixed. This as the Case-Shiller Home Price Index did jump a total of 1%. At the same time, new home sales figures fell by 1% to come in at a reading of 312,000. Also released today was the Consumer Confidence Report, and it did improve to a reading of 59.5 from 58.5. Meanwhile, investors once again remaining focused on the U.S. debt talks, and once again there was no progress, now making it exactly 1 week until the August 2nd deadline. And in the commodity markets, we first begin with gold prices. They continue to rise, jumping $4.60 to come in at $1,617 an ounce. Crude prices so far trading just under $100 a barrel, and the U.S. dollar continued to post steep declines against its major counterparts. Now, taking a look to see how the Dow Jones has closed out today's trading session, it is once again well in the red, down a total of 91.50 points to settle in at 12,501.30. Now, in a breakdown of today's major market movers, we first begin with shares of 3M, which was the Dow's biggest laggard, dropping more than 5%. This after reporting a drop in revenue from its LCD television business. Meanwhile, shares of UPS also posting steep declines, dropping more than 4%. This despite improved earnings, this after announcing a weak outlook. And shares of Netflix once again taking a major dive, more than 7% on the day, this following yesterday's earnings reports, which showed weaker than expected sales for the quarter. And just after today's bell, we have earnings. The major one was from Amazon, and it was all good indeed. This as its earnings came in for the second quarter at 41 cents a share versus the 35 cents expected, and its revenue improved to $9.91 billion from $9.38 billion.